Hi Nomads, it's Tanya and welcome to Adult Sleepaway Camp. In my search for socially distant adventures, I found this like sleepaway camp where you can get a cabin on Airbnb. We got cabin F, which is a premium cabin, and I can't wait to show you inside. We have an amazing porch where you can have your coffee in the morning, which I definitely will. Screen door, and come on in. This is our beautiful home. Queen bed for the adult, twin bed for the child. So we're just getting a lay of the land right now, checking out this little beach on the lake, and we're gonna check out where there's like a hiking trail that's apparently really beautiful, ends in a waterfall. So we're gonna do that maybe tomorrow. We're looking for the hiking trail that's supposed to lead to the waterfall. The guy gave us directions, but they weren't so clear. That was so hard, finding this trail from the directions we were given. And I'm running out of battery. I didn't bring water. I didn't expect to hike so much looking for this hiking trail.
I'm physically running out of battery.
Yeah, me too. So we know where it is. We can get there tomorrow. I don't think we're gonna forget. Get some water and go freaking swimming. I'm waking up here to such a beautiful, peaceful, amazing view. This is all I ever dream about when I travel, is a cup of coffee and a spectacular view. So I had a really nice, peaceful morning on the lake. There was no one there. Did my yoga, did my meditation, took in the sights, and then Jesse joined me. And now we're making breakfast. More coffee and some oatmeal. Where's Jesse? There he is.
Hey guys, I'm watching the pot to make sure it never boils.
We've had a really nice oatmeal breakfast and the weather is perfect. It's not too sunny and we're going to head back to that trail and find that waterfall. We just happened upon this wreckage. Looks like a plane crash from Lost or something. Jesse thinks it's a car because it has a steering wheel. It's kind of weird that it's here. I hear water. I think we're getting close to the waterfall. This is a really decent waterfall, and like they have like a zip line that goes across. Jesse was gonna do it. Are you gonna do that zip line, Jesse?
I'm going for it. Unless you talk me out of it, which would be very easy to do.
You shouldn't do it.
Oh, good point.
Hiked across a little wooden bridge and came to the other side of where the zip line ends. Behind us is the waterfall. We're taking this path that goes sort of towards the road, and it goes through this like wall of flowers, and it smells so good. I don't know what kind of flowers they are, but they smell nice. If you know what kind of flowers these are, let me know in the comments below. So the trail seems to end in someone's backyard, and then there's the main road over there, so I think we did all of the trail. So I didn't see this when we were wandering around before, but this is like the amphitheater where they do like the big kickoff celebration and the end of camp, I don't know, play or whatever. And they have these stones that are individualized to the students. Hey campers, are you ready to have the best summer of your life? I can't hear you!
Yay!
What?
I said yay!
Oh, nice. So for lunch after that hike, we're doing something a little creative. We're having miso soup with little pieces of Vienna sausages in it. I think it'll be good. Had a really nice dip in the lake. It's a little cold, but definitely nice. And now I'm gonna try one of these apples. There's like all these apples growing in this tree next to our cabin. The guy who runs the Airbnb says they're crab apples and they're sour, but they're edible, so they smell really good. Some of the ones that are eaten by animals smells like pears. It smells like an apple though with the skin on. So it is a little sour, but not as sour as some of the crab apples I've had before. It's pretty stinking good. A little bitter, but not so bitter that I won't eat all of it. So for dinner we're doing something really fun. We're making some foil packs with steak and pepper and onion, and I've heard it called hobo packs on the internet, which I think sounds really derogatory, but I think it's gonna be really good. We're gonna light a fire in the pit with some charcoal and try to cook it and see how it comes out. Till they gotta be great. Don't touch kiss me, tell me straight to my face. Best friend put me in the salon chair. Shampoo press, get you out of my hair. Bum bum, bum 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 yeah. Here's a little song I wrote. You might wanna sing it note for note. Don't worry, be happy.
But I'm a creep. I'm a widow. What the hell am I doing here? When I don't belong here.
So the hobo packs are starting to smell really good, and we had a hard time getting the charcoal lighted, but now it's definitely cooking, so getting really excited. I think we're gonna try and do the marshmallows before everything goes out.
Ooh, child.
We got marshmallows with chocolate inside. Oh my god, it's good. Uh-oh.
Is that your first one?
My second.
Okay.
The chocolate is really good. It's like mousse.
Oh my god.
So gooey.
It's so gooey, but it's so worth it. I highly recommend the marshmallows with chocolate on the inside.
100%. Well, Burning Man was officially canceled this year, which sucks because I kind of wanted to go, but we're burning our own wooden man in honor of, you know, in memory of what could have been.
Whoa!
Oh wow!
Look at that.
Well, the foil packs were great. The food looks delicious. I haven't tried it yet. We're about to try it now. It's cooked just right.